And it's kind of a tough thing to think about. How does somebody make, smart decisions on a whole range of issues that may affect them the rest of their life when they have really kind of a hard time thinking straight?
And it's so true, and it's not just emotional for one person or the other, it's typically emotional for everybody, even if it's something that both people want, because you are changing your life, and there's a lot of people impacted. It's not just your children, if you have children, it's also the other outside family members, it's friends, it's colleagues at work, it may be neighbors. So there's a lot of people that are impacted by this decision, and so they're trying to figure out where they fit in with this new situation. And so I recommend that when people are going through this, that they categorize what they need to do now and then next and later, so that it starts to break it out so they're not so overwhelmed with the process. So they can say, okay, what needs to happen right now to allow us to be able to separate with dignity and to be able to make the transition not only good for us, but the immediate people that we're going to impact, children or other family members. And then we can think about what's next and what happens later. And certainly the money aspects of that are woven into that process, but it's also about where are you going to live? Is that going to change where the kids go to school? Is that going to alter perhaps how your hours at work are translated? So there's some opportunities there to look at that.